All right, guys. Second install today is we're going to change out the windshield on my Gold Wing because the windshield that comes with this Gold Wing is a very short windshield. It looks good. It's sportier, right? It's a much more sportier windshield. However, I'm not buying this bike for just the sportiness. I'm looking for it for the functionality. So I got me a higher windshield, and we're gonna change it out today. All right. The big shout outs to Cruiser. What's it? Cruiser Garage. Cruiser's Garage. I'll get the name, but let's go. All right. The name of the brother I'm giving a shout out to is Cruise Man's Garage. Okay. He's a guy that talks a lot about the Gold Wing stuff. They have a whole series of things that they do in the bike. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna turn this on, and I'm doing that just to get the windshield up. So I'm hitting this button, and I'm gonna hold it all the way up. I'm gonna hold it up and then turn the bike off. That way this does not come back down. The windshield will stay up. All right, so what I wanna gain access to now is this little thing here, and I'm trying to push this in. It's gonna pop in, all right? You could use a flathead screwdriver. You could use, I'm using a little pick, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. Same exact treatment, nothing different. All right, so let's go over here, and you see where I'm at? Yeah, you can see where I'm at, and I'm just gonna push that in. You gotta push it all the way in, all right? All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this out. This pulls right out, this little tab. So got that tab out. I don't think you could see it because it's not in focus. Hold on, I'll get it in focus for you guys later on. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. And that's the reason why you want to push that stuff in, okay? Because what we're doing is taking off that accent piece in the front. So this, I'm gonna push it up. Take my time. Actually down, not up, down and out. And it's gonna give me the access to these screws here. Now on those bolts, right, you have some washers, and it's two washers. The white washer goes against the mirror, whereas the black washer goes against the bolt. So we're gonna take those out one at a time. I'm gonna use my little power screwdriver and just take my time and break this out. Now, like I told you guys, this has the two washers, okay? And once again, big shout outs to Cruiser's Garage. And make sure you keep those washers right where they need to be at, so you can see the white one is on the top. Put those bolts in a place that's secure. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Just gonna pop it a little bit, get that out. Now, this little screwdriver, screwdriver drill, I got it for like $10 at Walmart. A very handy tool to have for even when you're traveling on your bike. I keep it in my toolkit, okay? Now, remember, we're taking off the windshield. I don't want to damage the windshield, so I'm taking off 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna take my time and remove the third one and making sure that the windshield does not fall and just gets messed up. Because like I said, I'm selling anything that I have on this bike that I don't use. I'm just gonna sell it to anyone that has Gold Wings that needs to get something done. All right, and this, I'm gonna take my time and take it off. Now let's get the new one on. All right, so now I got a much bigger windshield. Yet, like I said, I could care less about that cool factor. And let me show you guys the difference in the size. This is the standard one that came with the bike, and that's much more higher, which gives me way more protection on that road, especially when I'm booking down the highway. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one screw in first. You wanna put this on the same way you took it off. You gotta kind of manipulate it. At first, you would think it won't line up, but it will line up. So I'm gonna take one of these screws, and I'm gonna put that in. And what you want to make sure is that I'll show you, but you want to make sure that the groove, that everything fits in the groove. All right, on the screw, See this little space right here? We're gonna make sure that that fits in perfectly. And I'm gonna use my power tool to get it started down, but then I'm gonna use my hand tool to finish it off. I might just use the hand tool and forget about the power tool completely. Yeah, you know when it fits, because if it doesn't fit, it's not gonna go in. Like this one, I could tell didn't fit in properly. So I'm gonna have to manipulate it a bit and make sure that it goes in the way it needs to. Like you shouldn't have to force it. You should be able to use your hands and get it in there. See what I'm saying? So if you have to force it, then you know it's not in properly. See, 1, 2, 3. And this windshield is nice and high, so when it comes to the wind, no problem. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a company that can give me a faded tint. So where as it goes up to the top to where I actually use, it's gonna be clear. But I wanna get from this point down here, I wanna get that darker, and just to add a little bit more flair to the bike, you know what I'm saying? It's the little things that when you're customizing your bike that you can do to your bike. All right, so now I'm taking the hand tool, because I don't want to use the machine. The hands, you get much better control, much better feel of what you're doing. There you go. I'm going to tighten this down. Doesn't have to be ridiculously tight. All right, so now I'm doing the same thing on this side. Get that tightened down. You can feel when it locks. I just give it a little bit more inch-pounds per pressure, like not a whole lot, just enough. And I go back again on the other side, just to make sure that it feels solid, that it feels good. Beautiful. Now we're gonna put that piece back in. Let me show you what I need to do for that. So that piece that we took off, you simply just wanna push this back down to expose that part. So when you push it back in, hold on a second, it's so damn small. Let me get it back in focus. When you push it back in, this is gonna snap back into place, all right? So let's get that done. All right, so this is we're gonna put this piece back in. And if you look at this little hook thing right here, there's a hook, right? That's gonna go underneath this. It's a left and a right. There's a left and a right side. So if I put this here, you could tell it's not gonna line up with that. This is the right side, the proper side. And I'm gonna start from the hook underneath. Remember, we're gonna slide it up, okay? So in, and we're gonna push it up. That way it's in its spot. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. You could tell when you have it right, because if you have it right, it's gonna look right. If you have it wrong, it's gonna be wrong. You could see it, it's not gonna line up. There we go, in and push it up. So all I'm gonna do now is just get these clips and put them back in. All right, those clips that we took out, I'm gonna take it, push it back in, and snap this in. And you're gonna hear it snap, okay? We're learning together, guys. We're learning how to get our going wing to be what we want it to be, right? And the more we learn, the better. So thank God for some of the guys that's already gold wing owners. Me being a new gold wing guy, I'm learning from all of them. And I think that's important. All right, there we go. Install done. We got the seat installed already. You guys saw that video. Now we have this windshield, and this is a pretty high windshield. And what I like about it is I like how they gave me the taller one, because I'm tall. And when I'm riding long distance, I want this thing to be right. Now, what I like about it, you don't have to go as high. You know what I'm saying? You could take this thing and just enjoy it the way it is, or you could bring it down. And when you bring it down, you have a pretty nice protection still as well. It's still pretty high, so I might not even need to go much higher, but just knowing that I have the option to go higher when that wind is crazy, that's fantastic. All right. Now, I never would have seen myself with high windshields like this in the past, but like I said, different level now. but I am gonna go and get a little bit of flair added to that windshield just because I know I can. All right, I'm gonna find a company. If you guys have any companies that you know can take this windshield and give me that faded look, let me know because I want to get that done. I'm gonna find me maybe a tint shop or something, but it's gonna be a little tricky because it's not glass. If it was glass, it would be easier, but we'll find out. All right, guys, thanks a lot for joining. This Gold Wing install was fun. It was easy. If you have your Gold Wing, you're thinking about getting the Gold Wing, just keep on coming back to the channel. As you know, I have my Harley Davidsons as well. This is not just about Gold Wings, but right now it is because this is what I just purchased, my 2024 Gold Wing Touring, or well, bagger, and eventually I'm going to get the trunk for this as well. But right now, I'm so happy with it the way it is. And I'm gonna be changing out the mirrors, the floorboards, all that stuff. So stay tuned for these videos. Leave the comments. I'm excited about this build off. And then after that, I'm gonna go into getting these rims done. And yo, sky's the limit, baby. Skies is the limit. I'll see y'all later. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's keep on getting those miles, the money, and the muscle. Peace.